Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's your boy again, is Transform again. So in this video I'll quickly show you the settings, because I can see in my comment sections people have been asking that how did you manage to install this, how do you manage to install that. So in this episode, first of all, we are going to install this PES 2016 on our device. As you can see, it's running fine, and you're with your controller. You know, Winlator already supported a controller. So in this video I'll quickly show you the settings which I have been using. So if you have not been following my channel is all about emulator. So if you have not been following, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will follow the latest upload that I upload. So without further ado guys, let's start it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Winlator. When I open my Winlator, first of all, I'm going to tap on the three dots button at the left hand corner. So from there you go to your settings. So from the settings, first of all, for you to be able to play this with your gamepad, first of all you are going to put this preferred input to both. Don't forget that you are going to put it to both. So the second one is for you to come to this box 64 version. So from there you leave it to the default, and don't forget, this is very important guys, this is very important, intermediate, this one, it is very important. If not, it will not play. So let's go. So from here you save it with this button. So after that you go to your three dot by the right hand side, you edit the container. So you can see I have placed it to be PES 2016. So from there you press your done. So this one does not mean you can put it to any of your choice. So for the off-screen rendering is FBO. So you allocate a 4 GB of RAM for it. So and that's all. So that's all with this. So you don't need to show your FPS, since there's an app that will show it for us. So another thing we are going to do is the graphics driver. The graphics driver is this one, this 225.00.1. So, and again, this your synchronize every frame. It is very important. If you are not putting your synchronize every frame, it will not play guys. So because I see some people that say it is getting stuck, it is getting this and that, if you can enter these these settings that I'm showing you, it will be very easy to play. So guys, that is all. So from there you go to your advanced. So make sure that from the advanced you are still entering the intermediate. So from there you at the startup aggressive stop, and there you put your Windows 11 or Windows 7 or Windows 10, any one of your choice. So here you allocate all the processor affinities for this, and you press OK. From there you go to your you press startup. When it start up, you play your PES. That is all guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. So in our next video, if there is any video you want me to show, please in my next comment section you let me know. And if you have not subscribed to my channel guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is very important so that the channel can grow, all others can see it. So thank you.
Hello to all of you wherever you are in the world, from the architectural marvel that is the Fußball Arena, München. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin. Well, thank you very much.
To be fair, that was tough for the keeper to handle.
Lampard knocks it towards the front. Milner got into a good position down the right, just needs support to arrive. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Thiago. Benatia. Xabi Alonso. Robben. Lahm. Where to from here? Thiago with the ball through. Out towards the flank. Can he finish?
Well, that was a really awkward one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
Sanya. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Ribéry looks to dink one in. And a goal kick. Kolarov. Mongala. Benatia positions himself well and cuts it out. Jerome Boateng. Schweinsteiger. Fernandinho passes it through. Kolarov goes on a charge down the left. Xabi Alonso. Schweinsteiger. Aguero. Caught offside that time. Neither side yet able to find the net. Lahm. Xabi Alonso. Now it's Aguero. Silva. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Thiago. Lewandowski. Thiago. Benatia. Thiago. Lahm with a delicate ball. Now here's the through ball. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Silva got into a good position, but he may need to hold things up. Benatia hurtles into the tackle. Thiago. Schweinsteiger. Lewandowski. Looks to slip it through. He's found his man. It's Lewandowski! Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. Kolarov. It's Silva. Aguero. It's a loose ball. Well positioned to make that interception. Now it's Lewandowski. Now the pass. Now it's Ribéry. Ribéry, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Fernandinho. Silva. Oh, good ball.
Yeah, the defence had him exactly where they wanted him there. Didn't even give him the space or the room to turn. And I think
he's not played the ball, that's a foul. That is going to have his name taken. Well, the players are flocking round their fallen colleague, and they look worried. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Schweinsteiger. Until half-time, and it is still goalless. Schweinsteiger. Lahm. Benatia. Jerome Boateng. Out for a throw. Jerome Boateng, Xabi Alonso, and it's Schweinsteiger. Lewandowski tries a through ball, played out wide. Ribéry demanding a quick ball here. Alaba. Now it's Ribéry. Looks like a good ball through. Schweinsteiger! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
Silva doing well down the left. Now, what are his options? Kolarov looks to slip it through. Thiago. Benatia. And the first half is done. Reflections on the first half?
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing